Around 4 billion years ago, Mars began to lose its atmosphere as the sun's solar wind slowly stripped away carbon and oxygen. Before that, Mars's atmosphere was Earth-like, with enough pressure to protect the planet from damaging UV light. With an atmosphere and water, could life have once existed on Mars? If so, what would it look like? The prehistoric Felicon was a cross between a modern-day falcon and a cat. It was a savvy hunter. It stood about 3 feet tall and had amazing vision to spot its prey far in the distance. A cute theropod steps out for a morning snack. Unfortunately, the Felicon is also hungry. The theropod is fast, but it's no match for the Felicon. The Felicon is already in search of its next meal. Such is life on prehistoric Mars.